bedding. New security measures in the Gate City. We are now getting a look at the high-tech cameras the Greensboro Police Department will soon have access to. They will help officers track down cars. Flock cameras focus on and enhance vehicle details and can even notify police in real time when a stolen car is spotted on one of the cameras. The City Council approved the plan on Tuesday. Council says the police department will team up with the Department of Transportation and place the cameras on public right-of-ways. Flock Safety says the system is cheaper than hiring one officer.
License plates, the make and type of the car, unique factors about the car. Does it have a roof rack, bumper stickers, the things that we might be able to see? Our cameras can capture that, make it filterable so that a detective can go through and go, just show me every yellow Jeep with a bumper sticker, and it'll filter down the footage just to that specific suspect vehicle.
And there is no timeline quite yet for when Greensboro's cameras will be installed.